Hello friends, Namaste. This is Warrior Ranjit and today I am going to show you the very first kick of the Kalaripayattu, that is called Neer Kaal. The name in Kalaripayattu is known as Neer Kaal and in English we can call it as straight kick. So there are many benefits of this Neer Kaal. It improves the pranavayu and the apanvayu. As a result, it improves your digestion system, it improves your excretory system, which ultimately improves your health a lot. So let's start the kick. If you have read all the instructions carefully, keep your right leg back and kick up high. So if you are new to this kick, don't try to touch your feet with your hands at first instance. Give your kick few time, maybe few months, and within few months you will be able to touch your feet with the legs. Now, if I kick this in speed, it will look like this. Keep your back straight, your hand straight, and your knee straight, and your feet straight. Most of the kicks in Kalaripayattu finished with some kind of endings. This is the ending of the Neer Kaal. It has a specific meaning. If you see this ending, you will be able to find that there is some kind of block or strike attached to this particular ending. Okay, so we will see this particular ending in some other video. I hope you like the kick. One more important information for you. Do you know the same kick is present in the Kung Fu and in Muay Thai also, but there are technical differences between them. So in upcoming video, I will tell you the differences, the technical difference between the Kung Fu kick, Kalari kick and the Muay Thai kick. So if you are new to the channel, do subscribe the channel, press the notification bell. I am going to give you a lot of information in upcoming videos. Stay tuned. Har Har Mahadev.